ever. Here we go. Crown 112. Good luck, everyone. We pulled a Manziel and a Bridgewater. Does that mean it's time for a Bortles? Let's see what we got. Oh, really? Got a Kendall Wright. And Panini screws us. 250 points. So we'll have to randomize that. Not impressed. Got a Mettenberger. Rookie triangle thingy. Preston Brown. That was cute. 104 of 199. For the Bills, it is 4-tier. And Eli. God, I cannot believe we just got point cards. Jackson. And a Trey Mason, heirs to the throne. His rookie jersey piece for the Rams. It is Jeffrey, M.O.D., numbered 195 of 499. Did they make up for it? Really? We got an A.J. McCarron, rookie royalty. Nice two-color patch. For the Bengals, it is S. Edge, numbered 64 of 75. Nice. That's kind of weird that they put a points card in one pack and then two hits in another. Whatever. Paul Richardson. Jackson Jeffcoat, gold, 47 of 99 for the Redskins. It is Jericho, B-E-I. And Jamal Charles. Tom Brady, gold, 54 of 99 for the Patriots. It's 4-tier. And a Blake Bortles, heirs to the throne. 415 of 499 for the Jaguars. It is 4-tier. And a Bell, Roethlisberger, and Brown, Kings Court. Jeff Janis. And Joique Bell. Last pack. Hopefully there's an auto in this one and not a stinking points card. Johnson, Crown Jewels. Dominique Easley, rookie auto, number 50 of 99 for the Patriots. Just 4-tier. Jimmy Graham, Master Craftsman. Zach Mettenberger. And Andre Johnson. You guys gotta give me a second. Let me get all these names entered in. It'll take me a second, so bear with me. Okay. I can't type any faster. Switch you guys over. Here's our list. Randomize 5 times. Whoever's at the top gets the points. 1. See, there's 32 items in the list, so I got it right. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shadow 13X. 250 points. And that will do it for Crown. 112. I can honestly say that's the first box of Crown I'm kind of disappointed in. The ones we've opened, That was probably the crappiest. You can take those over to Panini, redeem.panini.com or something like that. And they've got different autos you can get with certain points. You can save them up, put them together with other points cards and get better autos. Or you can just, there's like 150 point autos, 250 point autos. Different autos cost a different amount of points based on who the player is.